Let's talk LVP installation. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, is designed with a locking system that allows each plank to fit tightly into the next, creating a secure, waterproof, and stable floor. Each piece is carefully aligned and tapped into place to ensure a consistent fit and a clean overall look. As the installation moves forward, every detail matters, especially around doorways, walls, and transitions. These areas require precise, custom cuts so the floor fits seamlessly throughout the space. With the main layout in place, the room starts to come together quickly, transforming an empty space into a finished floor. Once the planks are installed, trim and finishing pieces are added to complete the look and tie everything together. The result is a durable, low-maintenance floor that's built to handle everyday life, from foot traffic to pets to spills. When installed correctly, LVP not only looks great, but performs reliably for years to come. And it all comes together into a clean, finished space that's ready to be lived in. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you soon.